The upholstered furniture industry is diverse and dynamic, composed of endless shapes, sizes, and materials. Once these products are manufactured, they must be shipped to their ultimate destination, which could be the retail floor or direct-to-consumer or business. No matter where they end up, it's incredibly important for them to arrive undamaged. If not, manufacturers then need to deal with unhappy customers and the unnecessary costs associated with reshipping, product replacement, and labor. To help protect items during storage and transit, Pregis offers its Furniture Guard line of products, which are centerfold lamination bags that can be composed of a variety of materials, such as polyethylene foam, film, or third web bubble cushioning. These lightweight recyclable bags or pouches can be quickly and conveniently produced on-site right at the warehouse floor through Pregis' innovative AstroSealer machine. This system was designed to produce custom-sized protective bags as deep as 58 inches and more than 160 inches in length, at speeds of up to 95 linear feet per minute. This allows the AstroSealer to create immense business value in 4 areas. Now, let's see how this works. 1. Press the emergency stop button to shut down the power. 2. Open the nip roll and put the centerfold lamination roll in place. 3. Close the nip roll. 4. Restart the system to restore operating temperatures by hitting the reset stop button. 5. The operator will then utilize the AstroSealer's newly refined intuitive control panel to program the machine to their desired needs. 6. You can choose one of 18 preset sizes and either do a batch, which automatically produces a predetermined number of bags at once, or a single bag at any time, and sizes can be changed easily at any point. 7. Once the size and setting have been chosen, the machine automatically feeds a preset length of center-folded, Pregis bubble or foam roll material. 8. It then cuts the sheeted material with a hot wire to seal the edges to create a pouch that offers superior protection against abrasion. 9. After the edges of material are sealed, the bag will automatically feed through the machine until it reaches a safe distance for the operator to pull out the completed bag. 10. For additional safety, guards have been constructed in key areas on the machine to ensure operators don't mistakenly come in contact with the hot wire or internal moving components. 11. Once the completed bag is removed from the machine, the operator can then take the pouch and apply it to the piece of furniture, then seal it up for safe shipment. No matter the application, Pregis' durable premium materials and systems can help businesses protect the products they manufacture and ultimately their bottom line. To learn more about our AstroSealer and Centerfold solutions, visit Pregis.com.